Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Kalshi draining your iPhone's battery when you're not actively trading? Here are two setting changes that stop the background drain completely. First, go to your settings and then scroll down to find Kalshi in the installed app list or just directly search for it. Find background app refresh and turn it off. This stops Kalshi from continuously fetching market prices, position updates, and resolution data in the background when you're not using the app, which drains battery all day without you noticing it. After turning that off, go back to the settings and then go to privacy and security. Then tap location services. Scroll down to find Kalshi in the list of apps and then tap on it. If it's set to always, change it to while using or never. A prediction market app does not need your GPS location at all. And if it's set to always, it is accessing your location data continuously in the background, which burns through battery. After both the changes, go to your settings again and here search for battery. Now scroll down to the list of apps and find Kalshi. After both changes, you see the battery drop. So all you've got to do is go to settings, go to Kalshi, background app refresh, turn it off, privacy, location services, Kalshi to while using or never, battery drain will stop and that's it. Subscribe.